bomb shelter or end up a frostbitten heap of humanity. There's nothing better than sitting cozy, comfy in front of an open fire.
Hey, what's going on back there?
What's the tea, girl?
You can't mess around in a mailbox like that. It's against the law.
Who and just what do you think you are?
Can't you get an eyeful of what I'm wearing?
A statement in bad fashion?
Not just any brand of bad fashion, my fine, small, intruding, fur-bearing mammal, but an official, government-issued uniform of distinctive authority, including a specially sized hat with my name on it. It's my duty to stop postal law busters like you at all times. So haul your drippy carcass out of there or I'll put you out.
I'm not feeling at all well. Thank you. I got a leaking lung. Please don't toss this frail, sick old body into the freezing cold snow. It'll be a death for me.
Sorry, homeboy, but you got to go. My poster pride has been destroyed.